This is the second test where I'll be shooting a Colorado beetle, which I have placed at the right spot as best as my abilities. Oh, and it fell. Let me try and do that again. So here is the laser gonna burn. So I'm trying to put it at this spot, approximately. Yeah, so this should be hitting him. And when I press this button, then the lipose energy is gonna be put on the laser, on the beetle. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it was below the laser. I think that the laser beam was below the beetle, the way I saw it. So it's just kind of scared, I think, now. It's not hurt because it was approximately needed. Maybe let's just have a look. It's a bit burned or not. I don't think so. This is what they do when they are they're scared. It might actually... No, I would be surprised that it's dead. It might be. That would be very good news. So let's look at this guy. I might be playing that. Let's see. I'm gonna put him aside here for a while. Let's get another beetle and try again, but I think it didn't hit him. It just was in the neighborhood, not on him. And of course, that's not gonna do a lot of effect. Let's try it again. Let's have a nice look where the beam will be. So if I now, I would say about there. 1, 2, 3. Again, just a little bit. Needs to go a little bit lower. I missed it again. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this is not gonna, definitely not gonna like that. Oh, now I hit it. I'll actually hit it. So let's see. How is this beetle doing? It smells burnt, like burned insect here actually. This is definitely not good. No, I don't think he will like that. I think there's a hole in its body. If you look at it, it's kind of burnt black from the side. So I don't think this beetle is gonna be the same. Let's try. Let's have a look at close. Up close. Let's have a look. How's the beetle doing? He's severely burned, right? So I'm not sure if he's dead. We'll see. He's likely just. But this one is also not really reacting. Normally they get back to on their feet faster. So let's try another one. Yeah, it was a really good test. I like the outcome already of that one. This beam is currently unfocused because I took off the focusing element because the focus is not really working how I wish it would be working. So this is an unfocused beam. So focused beam would be way more severe. Let's put it nicely here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, but again I'm below. So I shot below the beetle. So he's again startled. I think this one is gonna get alive soon. So take another one, no problem. Yep. Try take another one. How I'm gonna put it there? Maybe put it on this piece of it. So this one is like maybe walking a bit funny. Not to see. Yeah, one of his legs is like injured. This one is now again playing that, of course. That's the hard part of this job. Come on. I think those are both dead. I'm surprised of this one actually. This one, that makes sense. He's still, you know, doing some twitches, but not a lot anymore. He's not the same. That is for sure. So let me try and get another one. Of course, once I take them out, then they are scared and then they roll up in their little ball.